So guys, I want to show you how to earn 1,800 US dollars from DOGS APY. Yes, let's get to the calculator. Let me show you something. So any quantity of dogs you have right now, you can multiply it by 3, and that is what you have in the next 7 days. This is how. Let's assume that you have 300,000 dogs in it. So guys, this is how to get 300% on top of the dogs you have right now. Let's open to the dogs, to our Telegram wallet where you have your dogs. This is called staking. This is how you can stake your dogs to get 300% bonus. This is earn 300% APY on dogs. More about earn. Okay, so when you get here, this advert may not be available. So what you simply do when you get here is to click on open. Before then, confirm how many dogs you have by clicking, you click this more assets so that you see the number of dogs that you have. Okay, all right, now you scroll up here and click on wallet earn. Here are 3 options, but to be able to enjoy this 300% of dogs, understand that this will last for 7 days. That means within 7 days, the total number of dogs that you staked will be multiplied by 3. Okay, it will be dropping daily. This staking means you want to lock up some quantity in this place and say maybe use these dogs for 7 days, do business with it, whatever. But what I want within 7 days, I want times 300% of it. Okay, now you go ahead and click here. So as at the moment of recording this video, is remaining 3 days plus, so you have to be fast and do this now if you want to enjoy this. Now the next thing you want to do is to click on start, and now before you even do that, observe the instructions here. It says 330 million dogs prize pool. That means the moment they get up to 330 million dogs that people put in here, this offer will close. The next thing is deposit or withdraw anytime. This means you can wake up to say, okay, I want to add more to what I have deposited, or I want to withdraw this one. You are free to do that. And also the next thing is get 300% APY for 7 days. And now in the campaign details, here's what you should also note. Campaign details, the first thing there is this: rewards in dogs are deposited daily to wallet. Okay, deposited daily to wallet, that's the reward you get. This means whatever you deposit, it will be 300% divided by 7. That means every day you get that of that day sent to your wallet. And now the next thing is this: deposit up to 300,000 dogs. This doesn't mean that you must deposit up to 300,000. It simply means that the maximum amount that you are allowed to deposit is 300,000. Whether you want to deposit 20k, 40k, or 100,000 dogs, it is allowed. Okay, and now the next thing here, it says account verification is required to claim your rewards. You just have to verify your Telegram wallet, then you do this. Meanwhile, there's a video in this video description to help you verify in case you have not done so. Okay, now that you have known the terms, simply go ahead and click on start earning. So on this page right here, what you have available is, right here is the total number of dogs you have in your Telegram wallet, and here is a space for you to impute how many dogs you want to stake. So now let's assume that you're staking how many? So any amount you're staking, just impute it here. But remember, it must not be more than 300,000. So I just typed above 300,000 now, and you see that that is not possible. So you put the maximum amount you want to stake. So just put any amount that is reasonable so that the reward will be okay. You just go ahead and click continue below. So you see that deposit in progress, amount of 300 dogs is on its way to your wallet. This may take some time. Alright, you can go ahead and click on open wallet below. You see that, right? So this is, you can now see your deposit. And now you need to understand this. The first thing here, wallet earn dogs on your dogs. You get more dogs to your dogs. And the next thing here, it says you deposited. So right here is where you see the amount that you have deposited. And now you can see it says until August 31. That means that is when this will expire, this staking that I just did. And now let's say, for example, that you deposited less than 300,000 and now you change your mind and say, oh, this thing, there's gain, or let me stake more. You can go ahead and come here and click on top up. When you click on top up, you have option to stake more dogs, okay? And then as for the rewards, you can see right here, available for claim, 0 dogs, 0 USDT. You have earned 0 dogs, and here it says claim rewards. So in other words, after your daily reward has come up here, when you can come back and click on claim reward, you get. So when you click on claim reward, it will be added to your dogs balance. And you can see the one that I just did, that right here, it is still processing. Transaction history, today's deposit at 3:48 p.m. and the amount that you received. So this is your transaction history. And now you can see right here, in case you have more questions, you can go ahead. If you have questions like, what is dogs for dogs? How do I calculate the reward? If I didn't pass KYC, what will happen with the reward? And many more. So they also go ahead to answer all your questions. Now, in case you are no longer interested, you can simply click on close wallet and withdraw. You see that, right? So it's actually not a must, but that's it in case you want to multiply what you currently have. And it's just this simple. Click subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get the next upload I'll make in this regard. Like this video and share it to help others as well.